The clutch drum works with your chainsaw's clutch to drive the saw's chain. The clutch drum has the drive sprocket built onto it. When the saw is accelerated, the clutch expands and contacts the clutch drum, which drives the saw chain. After years of use, the sprocket on the clutch drum will wear down. If the saw is accidentally run with the brake engaged, the clutch drum will be overheated and can warp. The inside of the clutch drum can wear down where the clutch pads contact it. Replacing the clutch drum is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brake cover from the saw. The cover is secured with 2 nuts. I'll loosen the nuts and also loosen the chain tension. Then I'll remove the nuts and the brake cover. I'll go ahead and remove the bar and chain as well, just to get them out of the way. With the cover removed, now I have access to the clutch assembly. To remove the clutch, I'll use a special clutch removal tool. I place the tool over the clutch and use an impact driver to remove it. This is a reverse thread. Now I can remove the washer and the clutch drum. I'll separate the needle bearing from the clutch drum. Now I can install the new clutch drum. I'll apply a small amount of grease to the needle bearing, and then I'll slide the bearing into the clutch drum. I'll place the washer back on the spindle and reinstall the clutch drum. The sprocket should be pointing towards the saw's body. And reinstall the inner washer. Now I'll reinstall the clutch. I'll thread the clutch onto the spindle. Again, remember this is a reverse thread. And tighten it down with the tool and impact driver. I'll finish up by reinstalling the bar and chain. And that's how you can replace the clutch drum on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.